What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best spin mops. There's a lot of choice for wireless spin mops. In a world of robot mops and Alexa-operated devices, it's easy to think that your home should clean itself. While that would be nice, we don't live in that reality just yet. To give your kitchen or bathroom the deep cleaning that it needs, you're going to have to put in some elbow grease. If you use a traditional string mop or a Swiffer for deep cleaning, it's time to upgrade to a spin mop. Spin mops contain circular or triangular microfiber mop heads that quickly absorb spills and messes rather than just pushing the liquid around like a traditional mop does. They also come with a bucket designed to hold soapy water and a circular basket that sits inside the bucket. This basket spins, and the centrifugal force wrings out the mop head. We spent a month testing the most popular spin mops on the market to determine the best ones available. These spin mops excelled in containing and cleaning up large spills and sticky messes, and we found that some also came with clever features that made this chore a bit easier.
SmartReviewsLab.com. Search SmartReviewsLab.com before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1.
Smine Spin Mop Bucket System. While lightweight to carry, the Smine Spin Mop is sturdy enough to hold up to daily use and includes 6 microfiber mop heads for more than 2 years of use. These circular microfiber heads are plush and highly absorbent, whisking away messes in no time. With this spin mop, it's the upgraded handle that does the work. No pedal, no problem. Made of durable stainless steel and telescoping up to 61 inches, the handle only requires you to simply press down on it to cleanse the mop head in the water and wring it dry in the spin basket. The mint green polypropylene (PP) bucket boasts 2 wheels, a pull handle, and a carry handle. The bucket also features a drainage plug and a detergent dispenser for super grimy floors, regardless of whether they are tile, laminate, or hardwood. Specification and features: color, mint. Material, stainless steel. Handle material, stainless steel, steel. Included components: 3 mop handle included, stainless steel basket included, rubber ring included. Special feature: adjustable mop pole commercial mop, buckets commercial floor cleaners. Reasons to buy: includes 6 refill mop heads. Wheeled bucket. Features a pull handle and a carry handle. Reasons to avoid: pull handle is too short for taller users.
Number 2.
Ocita Easy Ring Microfiber Spin Mop. Our tester had only positive things to say about the Ocita Spin Mop. Several features set it apart from the rest of the spin mops we tested. It comes with a triangular mop head to get into corners and hard-to-reach spots behind toilets or pedestal sinks. The water tank also separates from the large bucket so that you can fill it in the kitchen sink without having to fit the entire bucket under your faucet. What makes the Ocita Spin Mop superior is its ability to keep the dirty water separate from the clean water so that you can dunk your spin mop in the clean water with confidence. Specification and features: color, gray. Material, cedar. Handle material, wood. Included components: 1 rinse clean bucket, 1 adjustable telescopic handle, and 1 genuine microfiber mop head. Unit count, 1.0 count. Reasons to buy: it has an easy-to-fill water tank, a triangular mop head, and keeps the dirty water separate from the clean water. Reasons to avoid: as with most spin mops, it took a few minutes to get the hang of the spinning basket.
Number 3.
Mopson Spin Mop Floor Cleaning System. With 4 included mop heads and a durable design, the Simply Magic Spin Mop is an excellent choice for those on a budget. Although affordable, this hand-wring spin mop comes with several perks. Unlike some other cheap mops that are made from aluminum or plastic to save costs, this one features a sturdy stainless steel spin basket as well as a stainless steel mop handle. This construction is built to last, and with 4 included microfiber mop heads, each are machine washable and good for up to a year of use, there's no need to buy additional parts for a while. A user-friendly design also adds to this spin mop's value. A built-in detergent bottle makes it easy to add soap as you go, and when the job is done, a drain plug makes it mess-free to drain the bucket. Specification and features: color, red and black. Material, stainless steel. Handle material, stainless steel, steel. Item weight, 5 pounds. Unit count, 1 count. Reasons to buy. Affordable. Comes with 4 mop heads. Drain plug for easy emptying. Reasons to avoid, small bucket size.
Number 4.
Fuller brush spin mop bucket system. At $100, this spin mop is the most expensive on our list, but several special features make it worth the splurge. The handle has an ergonomic grip, so it's easy to push around your home without discomfort. The bucket and mop are super durable and easy to use. But most spectacularly, the spin mop head spins when cleaning your floors. Our tester had to hold the mop just right to activate the spinning feature, upright with both hands on it, swiping back and forth, but she was impressed with how well it cleaned. While it advertises itself as great for hardwood floors and tile, our tester found it also worked well on finished concrete. Specification and features. Color, ruby red. Material, microfiber. Unit count, 1 count. Reasons to buy. It spins as it's cleaning, has a cushioned handle, and it even worked well on finished concrete. Reasons to avoid. The mop head was difficult to snap on and off.
Number 5.
Hurricane Spin Mop Home Cleaning System. Clean up spills and messes and maintain tidy floors with ease using the Hurricane Spin Mop. Spills are no match for this spin mop. It features a super absorbent microfiber mop head, which absorbs up to 10 times its weight in liquid to clean spills. The soft 360-degree mop head is excellent for daily or weekly maintenance cleanings. With a pivoting head that allows the handle to lay almost completely flat, there's also no need to move furniture around to clean. This spin mop's large mop head and fluffy microfiber fibers are designed to reach into tight spaces. A foot pedal makes wringing the mop simple. There's no need to bend over or touch the mop head to wring. Just place the mop in the wringing bucket and depress the foot pedal, and the basket spins as quickly as 1000 revolutions per minute to thoroughly wring the mop head. Specification and features. Color, Hurricane Spin Mop. Material, microfiber. Item weight, 5.11 pounds. Unit count, 1 count. Reasons to buy. Very absorbent. Pivoting mop head offers better reach. Effective wringing mechanism. Reasons to avoid. Plastic spin basket.
You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.